Welcome back, everybody. Walter here in the workshop, just sort of panning these shelves and the mess that I have here. And I think I have come up with an answer to part of my problem. Now, first off, one of the problems is we stand things on the floor. We lean things up against stuff. That should never happen. Takes away floor space, causes a trip hazard. Not a good thing to do. Plus, it's damp down there anyway. But when you look at these deep shelves, they're 18 inches deep. And it's great for storing things like these leg blanks for farmhouse tables. But when you tend to put things in boxes, on boxes, in boxes, I mean, it's good to have storage. I mean, this is my Clifton 4.5. This is my jack, low angle jack. This is the box to my 60.5 with some spare blades in it. Extra paper towels. You can never have too many paper towels, right? And this happens to be a stack of olive wood that's been there for, 10 years, just sitting. Yeah, it's olive wood and other wood. But what caught my eye and really got me to thinking about this dilemma is this box right here. I'm going to take that box out in another video because I'm either going to laugh or I'm going to cry because I think I know what's in that box. I know what's in all these boxes. I know what's in them. But should they even be here? And this reminds me of, like, in the kitchen, you have the refrigerator cabinet next to the refrigerator, which is 24 inches deep, 25 inches deep. And there's stuff behind stuff, behind stuff, behind stuff. And you just never know what you have. So let me know what you think. Should we have shallow shelves so things can only be one deep so we can see everything? At a glance, you can see everything. And put these types of shelves out like in a warehouse type area for storing lumber and such. I don't know. Be interested to hear your thoughts. That's about it for right now. I'm going to dig that box out and we're going to see what's in it. Walter out.